the gays, then the girls, then the industry.
A much calmer scene last night, though, as Catherine joined good friend T.R. Knight at the Advocate's 40th anniversary celebration.
So Rachel Dowd is the deputy editor of the gay and lesbian magazine, The Advocate.
I love this photo shoot. It's me just hugging a hot gay guy.